Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your Phantom wallet in just 2 minutes. Whether you want to transfer crypto from another wallet or buy it directly with a card or Apple Pay, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Transfer from another exchange or wallet. First, open your Phantom wallet and click on Receive. Pick the crypto you want to deposit. Let's use Sol as an example and copy your wallet address. Next, head to the exchange where you already have crypto, like Bybit or Coinbase. Go to Assets, Funding, SOL, Withdraw, and paste your Phantom wallet address. Make sure you select the Solana network. Enter the amount you want to transfer, either max or custom, and confirm the withdrawal. Once submitted, your SOL will arrive in Phantom shortly. Usually, it takes just a few minutes and you'll see it in your wallet ready to use. Buy crypto directly in Phantom. If you don't have crypto yet, Phantom makes it easy to buy directly. Click on Buy, select SOL, and enter the amount in fiat, say $100. Then, pick your payment method, credit, debit card, Apple Pay, or PayPal. After confirming your payment, the SOL is processed and deposited directly into your Phantom wallet. In most cases, it only takes 1 to 2 minutes before it's ready to use. And that's it. 2 simple ways to fund your Phantom wallet in no time. Whether you're transferring from another exchange or buying directly, you can get started with crypto in just a couple of minutes. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a crypto tip.